Greetings, my friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. There will be several new changes coming very soon for millions of Americans. Our lawmakers in Congress are now trying to expand Social Security monthly benefits for all SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. This includes boosting monthly benefits for all seniors. So friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video for all of the details that you need to know. Please remember that I'll be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. To enter the giveaway, simply click and like several of my videos. Comment below the keyword of each video that you watch, and do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The more often you comment below a keyword from a video, the greater your chance of winning the $75 gift card. And friends, at the end of this video, I will be announcing the winner of today's Walmart gift card giveaway. Please stay tuned.
How we do that, meet and beat the goals of the Paris Accord, but also how we help other countries do so. The poorest nations in the world have contributed the least to the emissions challenge that we face, and we need to share technology and other resources with them so that they can meet their goals as well. So then the third part of it, I talked about the care piece of it, the healthcare piece of it in this. This is quite remarkable, and if you took any one piece of it, it would be transformative and historic. Taking together, it's quite a spectacular vision that President Biden has put forth. I salute him for it. And when I tried to, shall we say, make a case for this or that, he said, "You don't have to tell me. I wrote it. I know the particulars." And that was what was so demonstrated this morning, his meticulous attention to detail, his encyclopedic knowledge of everything that was in the bill. We're really blessed with his leadership, and when he goes to these meetings with the G20 now and then to meet His Holiness the Pope and to go to Glasgow, we want him to go as strong as possible. When I had my meeting with His Holiness the Pope, I brought the President's greetings. Of course, I brought the greetings of the Congress of the United States, and climate was a very big, important issue for His Holiness, as I know it will be I assume it will be part of their discussion. But the climate issue is not just about, as I say, health and that. It's about people in poverty taking a terrible bite of this wormy apple called the climate crisis. So it's a big values issue for us. Anytime you want to ask me why I think this is transformative, I'm happy to answer that question.
Our nation is facing a retirement income crisis. Social Security is unquestionably the nation's most important source of retirement income. But the last time that Congress expanded Social Security was when Richard Nixon was president. Unless this Congress addresses the crisis by expanding Social Security, many Americans will be unable to retire without a drastic drop in their standards of living. According to many advocates, the United States is the wealthiest country in the history of the world. America can afford to protect and expand Social Security if we require those at the top to contribute their fair share. The good news is that this Congress is poised to take action. Democratic Representative John Larson, who is chair of the House Social Security Subcommittee, just held a hearing on his legislation. The bill is called Social Security 2100. It is a sacred trust. The 2100 Act is co-sponsored by 90% of House Democrats and incorporates all of the expansions that President Biden promised during his winning campaign. The legislation increases Social Security's modest benefits, both across the board and also in long overdue ways. It adds a caregiver credit, restores student benefits, improves benefits for widowers, and much, much more. It pays for every penny by requiring the highest paid earners to contribute to Social Security at the same rate as the rest of us. Protecting and expanding Social Security has strong bipartisan support among the American people. Large majorities of Republicans, Democrats, and Independents overwhelmingly support Social Security expansion. So now is the time for Democrats, who currently control both houses of Congress and the White House, to bring Social Security expansion to a vote. Social Security is a priority for many voters. Expanding Social Security while requiring those at the top to contribute more will help to reverse income and wealth inequality. That inequality not only exacerbates the retirement income crisis, it also costs Social Security billions of dollars of revenue every year. Because the earnings of high-income workers have increased much more rapidly than the average over the last several decades, an increasing amount of their earned income falls above the current $142,800 cap on which Social Security contributions are assessed. That cap has slipped from covering 90% of nationwide wages to 83% today. And as a result of that seemingly small slippage, those at the top paid $84.4 billion less to Social Security just in 2020 alone. Those are billions of dollars that should have gone to Social Security, but instead stayed in the pockets of the wealthiest among us. Congressional action on legislation which both expands benefits and reduces Social Security's projected shortfall is by more than half. The new Social Security 2100 Act includes a host of provisions aimed at increasing benefits while also adding more revenue through additional taxes on the wealthiest. The bill would not include ideas like raising the retirement age, which John Larson and other advocates have opposed. Expanding Social Security will strengthen the economy and create many jobs, because a vast majority of Social Security's 65 million beneficiaries are low or moderate income, and they tend to spend their benefits immediately in the local community in which they live. Social Security is especially important to rural communities, which tend to be older. Protecting and expanding Social Security's modest benefits is a wise policy and represents the will of the people. It will also improve the economy, create millions of jobs, and add substantially to the security of working families. So, my friends, what do you think of the new Social Security 2100 Act? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for today. Thank you so very much for joining me here. I greatly appreciate all of you. To say thank you, I'm giving away Walmart gift cards every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sundays. The winner of today's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway is Tina Davis. Congratulations, my friend. Please note that if I have announced you as the winner, please check your notifications page to claim the gift card. Thank you so very, very much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.